Hello and welcome back to our Vcode CSI Vit-Ap YouTube channel, people. And once again we are back with another topic in Python programming. So today our topic will be based upon split function. So generally split function will be removing the space or the character that the user will be given in the code. So I'll be explaining you that very detailedly in today's code. So without any time delay, let's jump into our question. So what will be the output of the following code? Okay, this is our question and I'll be typing the code. So line, which is a variable, and that would be equals to string value, that is Vcode is a project of CSI chapter. Okay, so this is our string value, and then I'll assign another variable L which will be equals to line dot split character C. Okay, and for I in capital L, print I end. Okay, so this is our code, and it is a simple one and a small logical one. I'll give you 5 seconds, just pause the video and comment your thoughts in the comment section. So it's 3, 2, 1, go. I'm running the code. We'll be getting a proper output now. Yeah, see, here this character C is absent everywhere, right? Okay, just a second, I'll give a space between this. I'll run the code again. See, in this sentence character C is absent, right? See, in Vcode C is absent, in CSI C is absent, in chapter also C is absent, right? So that's because of this split function. Okay, we have given a command, we have assigned a variable line L here, we have assigned a variable L in which we are giving command that split the character C which is present in the line. Okay, I'll repeat it again. We are giving a command that split the character C which is present in the line. So Python will be understanding that we need to remove all the character given by the user from this line. The character given by the user is C, right? So it would be clearing all C's from this line, and then comes to this. So then we are removing that character C. Okay, but what we need to fill at the place of that C? It's a point, right? We are just removing the character C, but what we should fill in that place? So for that we'll be using I comma end function. Okay, in between this, whatever will be the character we are giving, that will be replaced in the place of C. For example, let us give a star here. So wherever C is removed, this star will be replacing that place. I'll run the code, you'll be see. Here we should have a C, but as I given the star, instead of C we are getting a star again. Here also, here and here. Okay, and instead of a star I'll give a large space. So it will be removing the character C and will be getting a large space in the place of C. See, right? So I'll run this again. So the thing is, this command will be splitting the character C from the given line. Okay, and when it comes to this, here whatever may be the character we are giving, it will be replacing in the place of C. Okay, so that's the logic, and it is a simple logic. I hope you understand this. Thank you for watching this video, guys.